students, welcome to class. Do you know this person? I didn't know who she was. Somebody just told me, hey, you should watch this channel because apparently she used to be vegan and now she's not vegan anymore because she decided she has to start eating eggs and she has to start eating fish. Why? No reason. She just misses the taste. Complete insanity. This is what a psychopath looks like. She was eating vegan foods because her girlfriend was. And she, I guess wanted to impress her. I don't know what. She was vegan for so many years. And now she just decided, she misses the taste. So she's going to go back to eating these animals. Like, what the fuck goes on in a person's head? Veganism is not about you. It's an ethical, moral stance based on doing the least harm. You don't have to buy these products whatsoever. Fish are sentient beings, and eggs come from a cycle of violence. You know that. You know that. So why on earth would you come on here and tell your 470,000 subscribers that, hey, you guys can keep on being vegan, that's totally fine, but I decided I need to start eating some eggs and some fish. Piece of shit. You pay people in the egg industry to cut up baby chicks, if they're boys, because they are deemed useless, just because they will never be able to lay eggs. That's a decision you made. Congratulations. Super. Fantastic. And also you're paying people to stick hooks into the mouths of fish, yank them out of the water while they die a long, painful death, just because you feel like it. Or in these giant nets where they grab so many of them by the thousands, depleting the oceans. But hey, you feel like it, so oh well. Unbelievable. If you're not vegan, you're an animal abuser and you're evil. That's who this person is. The enemy. On your channel, all you should be doing is promoting vegan foods and never talking about eating eggs or fish or any other animals. Animals deserve a Bill of Rights. That's what we're working towards. You just took a step backwards. Shame on you. Animals need a right to be protected under the law from people like you who use them as objects. Speciesism is wrong. Don't be speciesist. It's like being racist towards animals. Don't be prejudiced just because they are lesser than you in their intellectual ability or size. Just because you can bully them doesn't mean you have a right to, not morally. And be brave. Be brave and go back to being vegan like you were. Take back this stupid speech and then get that smirk off your face. Think about others. Be kind, be vegan, and be brave. I know you think, oh my God, I've made my statement now and I have to stick to it. No, you don't. No, you don't. You just take this video down and say, I made a mistake. I didn't mean it, or I changed my mind. I'm not going to eat eggs anymore. I'm not going to eat any fish. That's how this can go. Because you have no right to hurt innocent animals just for your taste pleasure. You just don't. All the vitamins, everything you ever needed is there, was there. And right now, you've actually just failed ethics class. Super disappointed in you. To everybody else who's watching and have decided to be vegan, happy Vegan Declaration Day. I got one for you. Ta-da! Congratulations. You're better than her. Write the date on your fridge, on a little post-it note, put it on there. Be proud of yourself and stick with it. If you have any problems, then just go and research what you need. You need a little vitamin? Okay. You have a craving for some sort of food? Well, just find the vegan alternative. Eat a bunch of calories and you'll get over your hump. It happens to all of us where you suddenly feel like, I really want a burger. Well, then just go get a vegan burger. It's so easy to be vegan. Veganism is a philosophy and way of living which seeks to exclude as far as is possible and practicable all forms of exploitation of and cruelty to animals for food, clothing, or any other purpose, and by extension promotes the development and use of animal-free alternatives for the benefit of animals, humans, and the environment. You don't have to eat them, Kiara. Is that your name? Kiara. You don't have to. So go back to it. Go back to being vegan. I had one more that I wanted to read to you guys. Yeah, here it is. This is what it feels like right now. Being vegan is like trying to rescue drowning animals, desperately pulling them out of the water, one by one, and having your family, friends, and everyone around you throwing them back in with a stupid smirk on your face. Shame on you. Everyone else, really proud of you. Continue being vegan. It takes 100 clicks until you become vegan. It's got to hit your head. It's got to hit your heart. For her, she's got a big hole in there somewhere. She was just doing it, to impress her girlfriend? I don't know what. Anyway, give her a heck. Tell her that it's not okay. Those of you who are vegan, you can send her some information about being vegan. Remind her that she can go to howdoigovegan.com, sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com. And if you don't understand why, this is why. This is why you should be vegan. Watch this documentary and remind her to watch it too. She really needs a refresher course. If you want information about the egg industry, you can go to this one, egg-truth.com. And the dairy industry, dairy-truth.com. Oh, and here's my little sticker, or my little card, by the way, for How Do I Go Vegan. Okay? Go and see that channel. All the questions you possibly have are written there. All the answers are there, and there's recipes. It's everywhere. It's all over the internet, actually. Just Google healthy vegan recipes. Don't be her. Thanks for being here. Coming up on the screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Check them out. Click on them. Be curious. Look around that Vegan Teacher's site. I have over 1,000 videos you can look at. I review all kinds of channels and people like Coco Melon, Little Kids Show, Mr. Beast. I've looked at all kinds of people. I mean, Gordon Ramsay, my least favorite person on the planet right now. Well, I don't know, him and Sniper Wolf, SS Sniper Wolf, who also abuses animals. Call Me Chris, who also still eats animals. I mean, it's just so many people out there. And I also review amazing vegans on my channel, and sometimes I sing. Thank you for subscribing. Subscribe and press the notification bell. That way you'll never miss a video, and you'll help me get the animals out of hell. Thank you. Don't forget you give yourself a big hug. Why? Because people come and go in your life, and you're the only one who's consistently there. So be your own best friend. Take care of yourself. All right? Treat yourself well. Eat healthy vegan foods. Don't eat fish or eggs. You really don't need them. Okay? Bye. Love you guys.